Hello everyone. Welcome back to the English Fluency podcast. With me, Daniel Veritas. Today, we are going to learn words for talking about house and home. These are simple and useful words you can use when describing where you live or talking about your home and the things in it. Let's begin. Address. Address is a noun. Your address is the number of the building, the name of the street, and the town, or city where you live or work. For example, my address is 25 Green Street, London. Bath. Bath is a noun. A bath is a container that you fill with water and sit in to wash your body. For example, I take a bath every evening. Bathroom. Bathroom is a noun. A bathroom is a room that contains a bath, or a shower, and often a toilet. For example, our bathroom is next to the kitchen. Bed. Bed is a noun. A bed is a piece of furniture that you lie on when you sleep. For example, I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Bedroom. Bedroom is a noun. A bedroom is a room where people sleep. For example, there are 2 bedrooms in my house. Chair. Chair is a noun. A chair is a piece of furniture for one person to sit on, with a back and 4 legs. For example, he sat on the chair by the window. Dining room. Dining room is a noun. A dining room is a room where people eat their meals. For example, we have dinner in the dining room every night. Door. Door is a noun. A door is a piece of wood, glass or metal that fills an entrance. For example, please close the door. Flat. Flat is a noun. A flat is a set of rooms for living in, usually on one floor. For example, I live in a flat on the 3rd floor. Garden. Garden is a noun. A garden is an area by your house where you grow flowers and vegetables. For example, my grandmother loves working in the garden. Home. Home is a noun. Someone's home is the place where they live. For example, my home is small but very comfortable. House. House is a noun. A house is a building where people live. For example, their house has a big garden. Key. Key is a noun. A key is a shaped piece of metal that opens or closes a lock. For example, I lost my house key. Kitchen. Kitchen is a noun. A kitchen is a room that is used for cooking. For example, the kitchen smells amazing when my mum cooks. Live. Live is a verb. If you live somewhere, you have your home in that place. For example, I live in a small town near Delhi. Living room. Living room is a noun. The living room in a house is the room where people sit together and talk or watch television. For example, we relax in the living room after dinner. Shower. Shower is a noun. A shower is a thing that you stand under that covers you with water so you can wash yourself. For example, I take a shower every morning. Table. Table dot is a noun. A table is a piece of furniture with a flat top that you put things on or sit at. For example, we eat breakfast at the dining table. Toilet. Toilet is a noun. A toilet is a large bowl with a seat that you use when you want to get rid of waste from your body. For example, the toilet is next to the bathroom. Wall. Wall is a noun. A wall is one of the sides of a building or a room. For example, there are pictures on the wall. Window. Window is a noun. A window is a space in the wall of a building that has glass in it. For example, I like looking out of the window. Exercise time. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and do the exercise. Well done, everyone. You just learned useful words for talking about your house and home. If you want to keep improving your English, follow the English Fluency podcast and practice every day. I'm Daniel Veritas, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep growing.